So if you need to solve an equation that's quadratic, that has an x squared and another x term in it, first off, make sure that it's equal to 0, and then you're going to put the values into what's called the quadratic formula. It solves quadratic equations. Now, what values are we going to put into this formula? Well, we're going to put in the a x squared, the b x, and the c. Remember, that's our standard form for quadratics. So let's go ahead and try that. It's x equals, it's the negative of b, which is 3, plus or minus the square root. Now that plus or minus is because square roots have two values, positive and negative. Then it's the b number squared, so 3 squared minus 4 times the a times the c. Well, the a number is right here, that's a 1, and the c number is a 2. So 4 times 1 times 2, and then it's all divided by 2 times the a number, so 2 times 1. Okay, so we put everything in the right spot. Now let's start simplifying. Begin by simplifying the easy part and the part in the square root. The easy part is the bottom. 2 times 1, 2. The part in the square root, you can either type that all in to your calculator or do it. 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 2 is 8. So we get negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 1. 9 minus 8 was 1. Now we do the square root. Negative 3 plus or minus 1 over 2, right? Square root of 1 is 1. And when we get to this part, this is something new for you. We're going to split into two different values. Okay, we're going to do negative 3 plus 1 and negative 3 minus 1. So we're doing it once with the plus and once with the minus. So do negative 3 plus 1 equals, and then divide by 2. And that gives you x equals negative 1. Negative 3 minus 1 equals, divided by 2. That gives you x equals negative 2. Those are the two solutions to that equation that we were solving.